Hello everyone, welcome to today, welcome to the now, today's walk. I'm not sure, well my phone is, it's okay, little battery, and I feel like I'm on little battery, and that's okay. And so when we're on low battery, and we're on low battery energetically, that's a wonderful indication to connect with nature. And nothing fills my soul like connecting with nature and wearing floral hats. I have floral hats for days, and the birds are flying freely here again. And we take that deep breath. Ready? Authenticity, freedom, creativity. I feel like I'm Mary Poppins walking through nature at the Bayport Nature Preserve. And I am Mary Poppins. And you may be Mary Poppins too. And it's absolutely wonderful. We're absolutely wonderful. And so all it takes is simply, sometimes all it takes is just simply deciding to go for a walk and to see your shadow and to see that you're present with yourself. And it's funny, I'm looking at my shadow right now and it looks like I'm holding a bird in my hand with this. And absolutely beautiful. So I'm having my second healing concert right here in Bayport. This Saturday, June 17th, at the South Bay Arts. And I'm really excited to showcase